And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this LED light bug zapper. No chemicals or gas. This is a rechargeable bug zapper. Some warnings and information here on the side, how to operate on the back. Of course, great for camping or right in your backyard. And you connect the USB-C cable to an adapter to charge it up. And then you can hang it. Light sensor for intelligent control, 360-degree insect killing without dead angle, intelligent inductive control, induced light source, no chemicals or harmful gas. Let's open it up. Right on top is a nice included USB Type-C cable for charging. You can just plug this into your computer, charge it right up, or a power adapter, of course. And then, oh, look at that. That's it for the box. Include a little cleaning brush. This is to clean out your bugs that you've zapped. And then a little user's guide telling you about the specs. It does have a 2500 milliamp hour battery. So at 40%, it would last 15 to 18 hours, or at 100%, 8 to 9 hours. So basically, one charge could get you through a whole day if you put it on about 50%. And this is bug zapper here. Got a nice clip here to be able to clip it on something. I like that. That's just magnetic. Wow. And then it's protected in this plastic case. You do have an on-off auto button here, and then lastly here on the back is your USB-C port for charging. We're going to charge this up and then we'll hang it up and show you what it looks like. So we've charged up our bug zapper here. Now I don't have a way to hang it, but I can press our power button here on the front to turn it on, and then it would attract flies, any type of bugs to this light to zap them and keep them out of your way. You can also switch it to this color light, or brighter, or off. So you got the blue, the white, the brighter white, and off. Of course, this would be the one to attract the most bugs. You can charge it up, leave it on this, and let it do all of the work for you on a nice rechargeable battery. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.